In this module, we will discuss the transposition in maize. That is the practical application of what we have studied so far and how it is demonstrated in the maize or the eukaryotes transposons. Now, these transposons, they have powerful selective forces on their size. It means that they can, as a matter of fact, they can make the selection of the variety, they can make the selection of the things or of the molecular uh, subjects. Now, transposon, they carry genes that are an advantage to their hosts. That is the advantage of this. क्या है कि वो जीन्स जो हैं जो कि उनके लिए फ़ायदेमंद हैं, जो कि उनके होस्ट के लिए फ़ायदेमंद हैं, वो ट्रांसपोजोन कैरी आउट करते हैं. नो क्या होता है, देयर होस्ट कैन मल्टीप्लाई एट द एक्सपेंस ऑफ कंप्लीटिंग ऑर्गेनिजम्स. जो भी ऑर्गेनिज्म, और इसमें हम मेनली मेज को कंसिडर करेंगे कि दे कैन मल्टीप्लाई एट द एक्सपेंस, के उसमें मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं एंड मेक द चेंज. नो दे कैन मल्टीप्लाई द ट्रांसपोजोन along with the rest of their DNA AX, that is the DNA which is already there, and transposon do not have host advantage. अगर उनके पास host advantage नहीं है तो they can replicate themselves within their host. इसके बावजूद भी वो replicate कर सकते हैं, वो divide कर सकते हैं, वो grow कर सकते हैं if there is no host available for them. Now, example of transposable elements, that is transposition in the maize, as I have discussed, and the Dr. Barbara McIntosh was the first who discovered the first transposable element in the study of maize corn in late 1940. 1940 में उन्होंने ये डिस्कवर किया, and she discovered that the variation मेज़ जो है उसके कलर में वेरिएशन है उसके कर्नल में, एंड दैट इज कॉज्ड बाय द मल्टीपल रिवर्शन ऑफ एन अनस्टेबल म्यूटेशन इन द सी लोकस, which is the C locus which is present there in the gene, and that is the multiple उसकी रिवर्शन है जो कि उसको वो कलर जो हैं वो इम्पार्ट करते हैं फॉर दैट. And as we can see in this diagram, that what happens, that there is a wild type which is violet, and in the diagram A, B में क्या होता है, transposon, red and blue, they are moved over there, and mutant DSC is formed, which is the colorless. And at the same time, there is a reversion, that is the green AC and DS, they join together and see the red that has completely disappeared. उसमें और एक रिवर्शन हो गया जिसमें कि ग्रेन के ऊपर कलर भी है और वाइट भी है. So that is how she explained. Mutations and its reversion, it results from DS, that is the dissociation element, जिसको हम कहते हैं, and the transposon into the C gene, it mutated, transposes out again, and revert to the wild type. जिसका देखा है कि वो फिर wild type में revert हो जाता है.